everybody, welcome to Out and About on a beautiful Saturday morning.
Beautiful day.
Beautiful day.
Love it.
What up, man?
Windy.
Little windy.
Bad choice on the short sleeve. And
Yeah, but we'll be hiking, so you'll warm up.
I hope so.
Anyways, we are gonna go up north to visit Pattison State Park, which is also home to what?
The largest, tallest waterfall in Wisconsin.
That's right. It's like 165 feet tall, so it's a pretty big waterfall. Bug just attacked me. Anyways, I've been there once, but not since I was a little kid.
I have never been there.
Yeah, he's never been there, so
Should be a good experience.
should be. I'm ready. Are you ready?
Heck yeah, I'm ready.
Are you guys ready? That's what I thought. All right, we will see you guys up there. Hey, so we made it, and it is already, it's just beautiful here, look. And-
Looks like little penguin feet.
Oh yeah, what kind of little birdie tracks are those? Yeah. Anyways, so we are here. We are about to go find the tallest waterfall in Wisconsin. I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Okay.
Turns out I have been. I've been here with my grandpa. I was like 18 or something like that.
Still, it's been a while.
It's been a while.
It's been a while for both of us, so. What do you say we go find a waterfall, huh? So we were gonna go through this cool tunnel, but I don't know. For some reason it says it's under construction, see? But if you look, it goes out right through, like. Anyways, we're just gonna go around, I guess. Coming up on this cool bridge. It's under construction yet, so this part is closed, but it still looks, it's gonna be so awesome when it's done. Look at this cool bridge. Look how pretty this is. There's a trail right here. Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear that in the background. The sound of rushing water coming. This is one waterfall, right? I don't know if this is
I know there's one here. There's another. There's like two or three right here.
I can see it already. This is gonna be awesome. Oh, that's a long way down. Damn.
There's like two or three.
That is a long way down. Look at this. That's awesome. Look, it goes all the way down there too. Wraps around. Man, think of how long it took this water to carve this gorge, dude.
Forever.
Oh, it is so.
Hundreds of thousands of years.
It is so pretty. That's pretty awesome. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
Holy balls, just walking up to this. This is kind of cool.
Yeah.
A couple down some stairs.
It's almost like you're walking into a forest.
Oh my god. Damn, look at that. That is beyond gorgeous.
Oh, man.
You see for miles.
I swear.
Canada's that way.
Whatever, that's a long ways away.
That is so beautiful.
Wow. Wow. That is amazing. Look at, that's probably one of the most beautiful sights I've ever seen.
How far do you think that is over there?
I don't know, dude. Hundreds of miles away, dude.
I don't think it's 100.
At least, I would say at least 100 miles away, dude. For the horizon over there.
How far is the horizon? Horizon lasts like if you're on the beach and looking into the ocean, how far do you think that? I think it's like.
Oh, that's hundreds of miles too.
I think
Gotta
it's like
be.
50 miles.
I don't know.
Miles or something like that.
Hey, I got some dust on you. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. How far do you think that horizon is away? Way over there. 100 miles? 50 miles? 1,000 miles?
I don't think 1,000. That'd be overzealous.
Anyways, let us know what you guys think. But man, that's amazing.
God, it's so pretty too.
It is. With all the green stuff.
That's perfect. enjoying that nature smell too. You can never get enough of it.
This is, I keep saying it, but this is why I love living in Wisconsin. Like New York, you'd smell city
And like
this
musty coronavirus smells. I don't know what coronavirus smells like, but it probably smells like it.
What a spectacular view that was.
Just trying to take. I'm trying to one step all these. Like a million one little steppers. Just. Oh, my heart's racing now. Yeah, I'm out of shape. I was in really good shape when we started doing this stuff, and then
Life.
yeah, life,
Quarantine.
food,
Life.
quarantine, yeah.
Gotta work off the quarantine pounds. Definitely helps.
The quarantine pounds, I like that.
Cool. So we were just over there. We came back on the trail now. So coming up on the waterfall again, which is the biggest waterfall. Not biggest, but tallest in Wisconsin.
Yeah, I think it's right up here. But look, I mean, it's at the top of the hill.
Yeah.
Down the bottom. It's pretty dang good.
Yeah. But we're just at the top, but it goes way, way down there. So that's gonna get you a nice close-up shot right now.
It looks so refreshing. I want to jump. Oh, I was. Looks so refreshing, especially that little spray that's right over there. It's like being at the state fair in front of that big poster that sprays all the water on you. There you go.
I don't know. Like, the camera is probably doing this no justice, but it is so beautiful. So picturesque. Alright. See you down the trail. I don't know if this is supposed to be some kind of lookout, but he's gonna give you another up close and personal look at this view. So over to him.
Oh, it's not much. All these pine needles make it really slippery though. God, this is beyond beautiful. I wish you guys were here.
Long way down?
Yeah. I mean, it kind of slants a little bit, so it's really hard to tell how, you know, droppy it is. So you can't really see much, and there's a lot of trees. Except for right there. Right there's a...
That was a little steep.
That's like a drop off right there. And these pine needles are so slippery that it's like walking on ice.
Almost like walking on ice, pretty much.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's an awesome lookout over here too. That we're gonna. You can see where we were. Hang on. Whoa. Look at. Oh yeah, that's a nice one.
It leads down to the river over here.
Yeah. Look at this cool little view though. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. We were just right up there. We walked all the way back around and look at that. Alright, so now we're gonna check out this map here and we will see where the hell we're going. So we are right here. I think we just go down right here, right? This trail right here.
Yep. And then we go to the river.
Yep. And then turn around. Come back, because there's the tunnel that we were in.
Me and my grandparents, I think we parked right here. Yeah, right here. We walked this.
Oh, that'd be cool too. We could do that.
Until here. I think
Oh, Little Manitou Falls. There's another little waterfall right
We're
here.
gonna walk up this way.
Yeah. After we do this one.
0.5 of a mile.
Yeah, half a mile. This is half a mile too. So we can do both of them. This one and then come down to this one.
But it says half a mile here too, so what does that mean?
Oh, so mile.
So it's a
Mile. Yeah, and then half mile there, half mile back. We about a 3-4 mile hike.
Yeah, we got all day. What else we got?
Yeah. All right. Let's get to it. So we're just walking down the trail here and we came across a little garter snake. I can see it from here. He's quick, man. I was gonna try to catch him for you guys. Yeah, you know, it's non-venomous. They're a really common snake around here, so. Yeah, I see him right here. Look, he's right here. Look at him. I don't know if you guys can see him. Just a little guy. Look, right there.
Just grab him from right there, Dan. Grab him.
I'm not gonna grab him.
Grab the top of his head.
You come grab him.
He's gonna get scared.
There he is.
He doesn't like you.
He's very pretty. Oh, yep, there he goes. That's a little garter snake. I don't know if it's part of the constrictor family or what, but they do get bigger than that.
God, he's so soft under his belly.
Yeah, he's not that old.
He's shedding a little bit.
Yeah. All right.
Look at his mouth. It was open.
Here we go.
Open up.
Cool. Yeah, cool little find. There he goes. Safe and sound. Bye, little snake. That was pretty cool. All right, so we're continuing our little adventure. I want to, oh, geez, I want to go this way. Yeah. Aw, what the hell? Oh yeah, we can cross up here though. Yeah, should be able to.
Look how flat these rocks are.
Yeah, that's cool. River rocks. Okay. Look at nothing to it, man. Yeah. Look at, you got a bunch of these cool rocks all piled up. Look at, like a little Zen garden. Yeah, I bet. Look at. Oh, doesn't really get much prettier than that, I don't think. Pretty cool little spot. So, all right, we'll probably just chill here, take a little break, and then continue our hike. Man, what a beautiful spot that was, huh? Like, I could have sat there all day, man. That was pretty. But as you can see, it's a pretty popular spot because there's people coming down everywhere. So we're gonna head this way, right? You want to cross here and go up that way, or do you want to just see if we can go straight across? Yeah, gotta be careful not to break an ankle over here. Cross right here. Yeah. There's a little quieter place anyways. Look at how much that stuff is just fallen, flaked off over the course of I don't know how many years.
See a feeling.
That's pretty cool though.
This channel is probably pretty thin. Water.
Yeah. I bet you it gets pretty deep right there though.
Oh yeah, right here there's no black spot is. I bet it's really deep.
Yeah.
But I could jump into it.
Pretty cool. It's very calm down here.
It turned into such a beautiful day.
It did. Like,
Such a beautiful day.
picture perfect day. It really is just a perfect day to go out, be outside, you know, be out and about, exploring, and getting some fresh air. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at this. It's just,
Yeah, even if we do get to the other side, there's no way we're
no, definitely not.
walking along that.
No. Yeah, that's like almost vertical up. Oh, look at water's trickling down there too. All right. Should we find the trail again? See where?
Back?
Yeah. Well, we don't have to go back. We can see where the trail goes.
We can go up. Oh, we just looked at that map.
Yeah, Little Manitou Falls is.
Yeah, we can go up that way.
Okay. Let's go find Little Manitou Falls. All right, so we're just on the trail. Again, we gotta go back up these stairs, and then it's such a nice day. We might, after this, we might go back to my house and just take a rip on the four-wheeler. But oh, look at this, dude.
Oh,
Look at.
there's little. Oh, there's
Oh,
eggs in
next.
it.
Look at that.
Oh, that's so cool.
Those are robin eggs, anyways. Those
Look
are.
at the blue.
Yep, that's our state bird. For those who don't know, Wisconsin state bird is the robin, and those are little bitty robin eggs.
That's so cool.
Yeah, that's awesome.
That's cool that nobody's messed with them either.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I'm getting chewed up by mosquitoes.
Yeah, see, I put on bug spray.
I put them on my legs. I didn't think.
He did not put on bug spray, just on his legs. So, all right. Oh, geez, we're going to climb up this big ass hill now, all the way back up to the top.
I'm not excited for this, man.
Yeah, it's gonna be a workout for our legs for sure. So, we'll see you in a little while. Oh, that was quite the hike back up, man. Oh,
And my legs are screaming at me.
yeah, my legs are just like, what are you doing to me?
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm all sweaty, so you have to excuse that, but yeah. Definitely burned some calories coming back up.
Yeah.
That was a long way to the bottom.
Take a little break for a second.
Yeah, we're gonna take a rest before we go. We're going on another trail, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go on lower.
Little Manitou Falls, I think it was.
That's exactly what it's called.
But yeah, so we're gonna take a little rest, and then we will see you back on the trail. That's pretty close. All right, so we're just hopping across the road here, but in order to get back to our trail, we gotta cross over a dam, and it's actually pretty sketchy. What? Oh, okay. But it's actually pretty sketchy, so. Okay, there it is right here. Here we go. Pretty loud, so. Yep, there is nothing below me but gas. That was pretty cool. That was probably pretty loud for you guys, but something we had to do. All right, gonna go find the next trail. All right, well, yeah. So the other trail that we were gonna go down is closed, so we decided not to go down it, but we got the tallest waterfall in Wisconsin.
And we got this. Got us jumbling around a little bit.
Yeah. Saw some pretty cool things. Beautiful day out for a hike.
So beautiful.
So I guess we're gonna go back to my house and
Try a little bit of four-wheeler.
jump on the wheeler.
Maybe go check out some four-wheelers. Maybe it's time for me to get one.
Yeah, you definitely should get one.
I've been wanting one since I was a little kid. I mean, I had a little one my grandpa bought me, like a little ATV, and then a PW50 dirt bike, a PV 50 cc dirt bike. That was a lot of fun, but I've never owned anything since then, so.
Time for you to get one.
I really want one. I've been wanting one.
And then, oh, bug in my ear. You should get one, dude. We'll go. There's a couple places in my hometown that sell them, so we'll go maybe look at some.
Yeah, let's look at some today and see what we can do.
All right. So, thanks for joining us. If you liked the video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it. That way.
We see that a lot of you watch the video, but not a lot of you are subscribed.
Yeah. It only takes a couple seconds to hit the subscribe button. It helps us out.
You don't even need to. You don't need to hit the bell, but it would be appreciated.
Yep.
Because I know when I watch people that they got like notifications on my phone and stuff like that, but still, even the subscribe button is still
helps us
there.
out tremendously. Lets us know that you guys, like what we do. So, like I said, just takes a second. Quick click it. Quick click. And yeah. So, thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
We'll see you on the next one. Later.